Welcome to this lesson on geometry. Today, we are going to explore the exterior angle theorem. This is a fundamental concept that helps us understand the relationship between the angles outside a triangle and the angles inside it. By the end of this video, you will be able to easily solve problems involving exterior and remote interior angles. First, let's define what we mean by an exterior angle. Imagine a triangle. If you take one of the sides of that triangle and extend it out in a straight line, the angle formed between this extended line and the adjacent side of the triangle is called the exterior angle. In this diagram, the red arc highlights this angle. Now, let's look at the angles inside the triangle. Specifically, we want to find the remote interior angles. These are the two angles inside the triangle that are farthest away from our exterior angle. They are called remote because they do not touch the vertex of the exterior angle. Here, they are marked in blue. Here is the theorem itself. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is exactly equal to the sum of the measures of its two remote interior angles. Mathematically, if we label our remote angles as A and B and our exterior angle as D, then angle D equals angle A plus angle B. Let's visualize this to make it clearer. If you were to take the red angle A and the green angle B and add them together, they would perfectly fill the space of the purple exterior angle. Notice that we ignore the gray interior angle that is right next to the exterior one. Why is this true? Let's prove it in two simple steps. First, recall the triangle sum theorem. We know that the three angles inside any triangle always add up to 180 degrees. So, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180. Second, look at the straight line at the bottom. Angle C and angle D form what is called a linear pair. Since they make a straight line, they also add up to 180 degrees. So, angle C plus angle D equals 180. Now we put those two facts together. Since both equations equal 180, they must be equal to each other. So, A plus B plus C equals D plus C. If we subtract angle C from both sides of the equation, we are left with our result. A plus B equals D. Let's try a problem. We need to find the exterior angle X. We are given the two remote interior angles, 70 degrees and 45 degrees. According to our theorem, X is simply the sum of these two. So, 70 plus 45 gives us 115 degrees. Here is a slightly different example. We know the exterior angle is 130 degrees, and one of the remote interior angles is 60 degrees. We need to find the other remote angle, y. We know that 60 plus y must equal 130. By subtracting 60 from 130, we find that y equals 70 degrees. To summarize, always remember, an exterior angle is on the outside, formed by extending a side. Its measure is always the sum of the two interior angles that are far away from it. This simple rule, derived from the 180-degree rules for triangles and straight lines, is a powerful tool in geometry. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.